Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool material right here, and basically what this is a desk mat. But the one that we got here is a genuine leather desk mat. It's not like a regular desk mat that's not leather material. And we see from the one that we got right here, from this brand right here, and the size that we got right here is a 17 by 35 inch. They also have this in a smaller size as well. That's 15.7 by 31.5 inches if you guys want a smaller option. And also for this desk mat, they actually have it in different colors. I believe they have it in like brown, black, and also dark blue. The one that we got right here is dark blue color. But eventually, this is basically what the packaging looks like. Definitely looks pretty cool. And they mentioned how the product is all hand wrapped as well, which is pretty awesome. Some other cool things about the product is the fact that they mentioned how it's scratch resistant and it's waterproof. But let's actually open up and see what the product looks like first, and then we'll test all that out. Alright, so you guys open it up. This is basically what the inside looks like. If you guys can see the way how they wrap the product, definitely looks and feels like a high quality product. But let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like. I definitely love the way how they package the product. It definitely feels like very premium and very like luxury. So let's take out the ribbon first. Alright, so we take off the ribbon. We want to take off this piece of paper as well that protects the leather. Let me put this on one side. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So here is the front side, and here is the back. So when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice on both sides. You can definitely feel that genuine leather that's on here, but on the back side, you definitely feel that like non-slip material that's pretty nice. And like I mentioned earlier, they mentioned how the product is scratch resistant and also waterproof as well. So if you use like a really sharp knife or something to actually cut it, then obviously it's not like cut proof. But if you guys use like a pen to like actually scratch it, you don't have to worry about it in that situation. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. It is insane. I definitely love the design of the product a lot. It just feels like a high quality product, and there's no like logo or anything on here, which is pretty cool. Let me actually put this down on the table and set everything up to show you guys what it actually looks like. And we'll also probably do like the waterproof test as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so when we actually set it up, you guys can see that this is basically what the desk mat looks like. So when we try to move it around, it barely moves. It definitely has that like non-slip material, but it's not like super effective. Eventually it still moves a little bit, but once you guys put your stuff on top right here, you should be fine. So I'm actually put some more stuff on here and then show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll do the waterproof test. Alright, so you see that once we have everything all set up, this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks pretty nice. So when I actually bring it a little bit closer, you guys can see this is basically what it actually looks like. Definitely feels really nice in terms of the genuine leather material that they have right here. So I got my mouse here, I got my mouse pad, and then we got my keyboard wrist pad right here, and we got the keyboard right here, and then we have our laptop set right here. So this is basically what the overall product looks like once we set it all up. Let me actually do a quick waterproof test to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so right here we have the mat. Let's do a quick waterproof test. So I'm just gonna pour the water on here. Alright, let's wipe it off. Alright, so you see the product is definitely waterproof. Probably you can still see a little bit of the water stains or the water on here, but it doesn't stay on. If you guys put your hand on here, you definitely don't feel any of the water right here, which is pretty awesome. So the product is definitely waterproof. And then they mentioned how it's scratch resistant as well, which is pretty nice. So if you guys actually need to scratch it, you don't have to worry about it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test on the product, and definitely see that actually looks pretty awesome. I definitely love the design and the material that they use on here. It feels really, really nice and a very high quality product when you guys touch and feel it. It definitely makes your desk look so much cooler once you guys set it up, and you definitely see how the product is waterproof like I mentioned. And the desk mat is actually very spacious, so you guys have more than enough space to put like your laptop, your mouse pad, your mouse, or if you want to put like a cup, your notebook, or your phone on the side, you can definitely do all of that on here, just like how you guys saw in the video. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality premium leather desk mat, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.